Older homes in Washington have a timeless charm that's hard to replicate. From classic facades to well-balanced window layouts, these properties often reflect thoughtful craftsmanship and architectural tradition. However, many older homes were built with windows that no longer meet modern expectations for comfort or performance. Double-hung windows offer a solution that respects traditional design while delivering the benefits today's homeowners expect. Preserving the original look of older homes. One of the biggest concerns for owners of older Washington homes is maintaining architectural integrity. Double-hung windows are well known for their classic appearance, making them a natural fit for traditional home designs. Their vertically stacked sashes and symmetrical proportions align beautifully with historic and older residential styles. Modern double-hung windows can be designed to closely match the original look of older windows, helping homeowners preserve curb appeal while upgrading functionality. This allows homes to retain their character without appearing outdated. Improving everyday comfort. Older windows often allow drafts and temperature fluctuations that make living spaces less comfortable. Over time, frames can warp, seals can break down, and gaps can form. Double-hung replacement windows are built to fit precisely, reducing air leakage and creating a more stable indoor environment. For Washington homeowners, this improved comfort is noticeable right away. Rooms feel more balanced, and areas near windows no longer feel uncomfortable during temperature changes. Supporting better airflow control. Double-hung windows offer flexible ventilation options that work well in older homes. Both the upper and lower sashes can be opened, allowing homeowners to control airflow more effectively. Opening the top sash lets warm air escape, while opening the bottom allows fresh air in. This airflow control is especially valuable in older Washington homes that were originally designed to rely on natural ventilation. Double-hung windows maintain this traditional function while improving ease of use. Enhancing energy performance without sacrificing style. While older windows often struggle with efficiency, modern double-hung windows are designed to perform better while maintaining a traditional appearance. Improved ceiling and updated glass options help reduce energy loss and support consistent indoor temperatures. For Washington homeowners, this means enjoying the look of classic windows while benefiting from improved performance. The home feels more comfortable without losing its original aesthetic appeal. Reducing outside noise. Older windows typically offer little sound protection. Thin glass and worn seals allow outside noise to travel easily into the home. Double-hung replacement windows help create a quieter interior by minimizing sound transfer. This added sound reduction can make a noticeable difference for Washington homes located near active streets or lively neighborhoods. A quieter home environment supports relaxation and everyday comfort. Easy operation and practical design. One reason double-hung windows remain popular is their practical design. They are easy to operate, simple to clean, and well-suited for multi-story homes. Many modern designs allow sashes to tilt inward, making exterior glass easier to reach from inside. For owners of older Washington homes, this practicality adds convenience without altering the home's original character. Adding long-term value. Upgrading windows is one of the most impactful improvements homeowners can make. Double-hung windows are widely recognized and appreciated by buyers, especially when they complement the style of an older home. Even if selling isn't an immediate plan, Washington homeowners benefit from knowing their investment enhances both daily living and long-term property appeal. A thoughtful balance of old and new double-hung windows strike the ideal balance between tradition and performance. They respect the architectural history of older Washington homes while addressing modern expectations for comfort, functionality, and reliability. For homeowners who want to preserve what makes their home special while improving how it feels and performs, double-hung windows offer a smart, lasting solution that blends the best of both worlds.